The Employment and Labor Relations Court today upheld the impeachment of former Kisumu County Assembly Speaker Onyango Oloo. Oloo was impeached on September 19th after being accused of abuse of office and lawful suspension of members of the County Assembly and being linked to the Lake Basin Mall scandal. ATN's George Otieno has more.
Former Kisumu County Assembly Speaker Onyango Oloo today became the first County Assembly Speaker whose impeachment has been upheld since 2013. However, the former county legislator has something up his sleeves. Moment after Justice Ndumanderi's ruling, Onyango Oloo vowed to challenge the verdict in the Court of Appeal.
There are more than enough men and women in Kisumu County to hold the office of the Speaker. It doesn't have to be Onyango Oloo. It doesn't have to be a specific individual, but justice must prevail. Processes must be respected.
The court's decision today was based on the precedents that had been set by Justice Mombi Ngugi, who had declared in a past ruling that public officers charged with corruption should not hold public offices.
I want to congratulate the court because they have brought justice to the people of Kisumu. That we followed the procedure and what we did was within the law, just like I said the other day.
In his suit, Oloo had sought for 6 orders, including an order reinstating him as Speaker. He had also sought to have all his benefits, privileges and allowances reinstated by the court. George Otieno, KTN News.